Hello students, this is your chemistry teacher Unika Amanat and this is chemistry session 3. Today we are going to discuss SLO number 11.2.2. Recognize structural, condensed and molecular formulae of the straight chain hydrocarbons up to 10 carbon atoms. It means today we are going to discuss the um, different types of or different forms of one molecule. Okay, different forms of one molecule, three forms of one molecule. We will see that how can we write one molecule in three forms. Okay, let's see. You can find this all structures in your book on page number 55. First of all, you know that methane, ethane, you have studied these formulae in class 9. Methane is a natural gas and we use it in our daily life at our homes. Okay, and this is naturally known as sui gas. Methane, formula of methane is CH4. Okay, its molecular formula is CH4 and condensed form is also CH4. But how can we write it in structural form? Structural form is when we draw the lines between each hydrogen, carbon and hydrogen. So this is known as structural formula. But you know that I told you in class 9 what is the valency of carbon atom? The valency of carbon atom is 4. So carbon atom should have 4 bonds. So if you see in methane, carbon satisfied its valency and 4 hydrogens, so it means that here in methane there are 4 bonds, so valency is completed. Let's see in ethane, C2H6. So this is the known as molecular formula, and if you write CH3 2 methyl, this is known as condensed formula. Now if you write it in structural form, you can open it, you can write individual C, bond C, and 3 hydrogen along with each carbon atom. Here now you need to understand that how carbon satisfied its valency, how carbon completes its valency. Now you can see that one bond of both carbons are with carbon. Let's see, first carbon have one bond with carbon and 3 bonds are with hydrogen. Other carbon also have one bond with carbon and 3 bonds with hydrogen. So each carbon has 4 bonds. So carbon satisfying its valency. And we can write down structure formula by drawing the straight lines by showing the bond. This is known as structural form. Let's see propane, C3H8. So you will write down CH3, CH2, CH3. So if you will count, so we will find that there are also 8 number of hydrogen. So how you will write it in structural form? You have to write down 3 carbon atom in straight line and you will show bond, okay, among them, and you will draw hydrogen along with each carbon atom. Now at the end, after drawing the structure formula, you have to check the valency of each carbon atom. Now you can see, if you see first carbon atom, first of all it has bond with carbon atom and that bond is 1, and other 3 bonds with hydrogen. So total bonds are 4. Now if you see second carbon atom, it has 2 bonds with carbon. One bond with first carbon atom and other bond with third carbon atom. So 2 bonds, and you can see that middle carbon atom has 2 bonds with 2 carbon atom with first and third, and 2 bonds with hydrogen atom which are present on upper and lower side. Okay. Now you can understand rest of the all molecules and condensed forms and structural forms: butane, propane, hexane, heptane, octane. Let's discuss nonane. Nonane have C9H20 molecular formula. Nonane has, what is the formula of nonane? C9H20. So you will write down in condensed way CH2 will be 7, okay, and CH3. So in straight line you have to draw 9 number of carbon atom, and along with each carbon atom on left and right side and on upper and lower side you will write down hydrogen, and at the end you have to see are there 20 hydrogen and is each carbon atom has 4 bond with it, then it will be correct structure. Okay, and if you have to draw decane you have to draw straight carbon atoms, and then you will write down 22 hydrogen atom, and what you have to do, you have to check that each carbon atom has 4 bonds. Okay class, one more thing I want to tell you, that these all structure forms are of alkane, okay, and these are known as functional group: alkane, alkene, alkyne, but according to your SLOs we will discuss it later. Okay, so if we have one carbon atom, this is known as meth, okay, and if we have 2 carbon atom, it is known as eth, and we will discuss this later according to your SLO. Just keep in mind these all things till now. Okay, hope you understand this lecture. Take care.